Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the power cord in this LG refrigerator, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Be sure to unplug the appliance before working with any electrical components. Give yourself access to the back side of the fridge. Unscrew the 3 Phillips head screws on the back panel and remove it. Pull back and lift up the base of the power cord to unseat it. Then unplug the neutral and hot connector from the control board. Unscrew the ground to remove the cord. To install the new power cord, thread the screw securing the ground. Plug the hot and neutral connector to the control board and seat the power cord into its slot. Place the back panel and secure with the 3 screws. Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.